Hello there! In this video I'm just gonna show you what to do if your flap is sticking outside. The flap is sometimes sticking outside because as your dog is using the flap, sometimes it's moving, sometimes whatever can happen. So there are some tricks what you can do by yourself at home to get it work. So at the first stage what you can do, just make sure that your flap is not touching the sides of the pet door inserts, so it's not rubbering somewhere when it's moving. So just to make sure that there is really tiny small clearance all the way around. If there is not a clearance and your flap is touching the sides, you have to fix it. So you have to grab the tools for the screws on the top. You might have 2 screws for small door, 3 screws for medium, large, and a couple of those ones, and 4 screws for the bigger pet door inserts. So just use the tools to unscrew those screws a little bit, not all the way, just to release them. And then you can put some spacers under the flap in here. The other one might go in there. It might be like a cardboard or paper. And just to make sure that you've got the clearance on one side and a bit on the other side, you can put some papers in there all the way around. And when it's nice and level, you can tighten up the screws. Take the spacers off and your flap is ready to go. The other thing is, if you grab a Phillips screwdriver, there is a hairy strip on the side. You can take that off a little bit, and if you put the screwdriver into that hole on the side of the pet door insert, there is a screw which is holding that extrusion in here. So you can release that screw a little bit, not that much, just a half turn or something. And you can do the same on the other side as well. So the screws release the pressure for the flap, so the flap will not sticking out. And the third thing what you can try is just grab a piece of timber, put the timber here, and just bang with the rubber hammer a little bit on those 2 parts. Because sometimes the flap got stuck in that section here, so you can release the flap. So there are those 3 things which you can use. So hopefully that will help you in your situation and you can enjoy the doggy door as before. Thank you so much. Any questions, just contact us. Thank you.